Good morning, guys. This is Donald Abraham. My register number is URK17CS041. Today, I'm here to tell you something about linked list. So basically, I've created this program. So linked list is also a data structure. It's a linear data structure that I've been studying, and it's an endless number of we can insert, delete, whatever we want to do. We can do it endless number of times because there's no such capacity things in there like we have used in stack and queue. So let's see how it works. We have created a node means an element that we are inserting, so the data of the data will be stored in the node, and we will provide one link to the node so as to point to the next node. So we are basically connecting and making it as a list. Okay, so in this class list, this is my constructor. Head is the pointer that I'm keeping out of the first node to specify that this is my first node. So there's nothing important in that, I think so. This is a function to create a new node. So I will be calling these functions very often in this program. So because I have to create so many nodes. Okay. So if I have to insert an element in the first of all, I'm creating a temporary node. Okay, I'm creating that node. I'm initializing some num value to it, and I'm again, if I'm checking if head equal to null, then I have to point the head to the new node so that it becomes the first node of the list. Okay, and if I'm inserting it in end, I'm creating a new node with a temporary node monk and initializing it to head. Okay, so I will have to go to the end, so I will make monk equal to monk of next till we reach one step before null. Okay, and when we reach there, we just assigning monk of next equal to the new node, so that will be the last element that we have added. Same with mid. In this, I'm entering a position as well as the number that I want to enter. Okay, so same with the monk, I will go to the position in end. We were going to the till null because we wanted to insert it in the end. In mid, I want to insert it in a position, so I will compare it with the position. When it reaches position, if c is not equal to position, then I'm increasing my monk and monk and monk and monk. Okay, so when it reaches position, I am saying that the new node next should be the monk's next, means monk is pointing to some node, so the new node's link should be pointed towards the next node, and then monk of next should be the new node. Okay, so in this I'm updating the link that the new node is having and the existing node is having. Okay, so same with the delete. Delete is just an operation that we are doing, like if the list is empty, we can't delete. So if head equal to null, we can't delete anything. Okay, so I'm taking the number that I have to delete. I'm checking if head of data equal to null. It's not. If it's the data that I have to delete, the head data, then I'm updating the head and then I'm deleting the element. Okay, so if not, then I'm running my monk till null, and I'm finding simultaneously if it's the monk data is equal to null. It's not equal to none. So when it becomes when it's not the reaches null, then there's no such element. That's why monk didn't find any element to delete, so element not found. Okay, else I have to just update the pointers. Okay, if I've found the element, I have to just update the pointer. I will say b of next equal to monk of next. B is just a temporary pointer that I've used so as to make it easy. Okay, in reverse also same, just I'm just reversing this thing. Okay, so if monk is here, so I will if monk is not equal to null, then it will go inside. Okay, it's not equal to null, it will go inside. B equal to monk of next, and monk of next equal to c. So it's like a temporary variable that we use in variable reversing. Okay, swapping thing, and then I'm just updating the head. Okay, so display also, it's very easy. I'm just making a temporary variable temp, and I'm just running it through, and temp of data, and I'm moving the temp, so it will basically print the whole list. Okay, and again the same thing, use switch case for a menu driven program, and I'm calling the functions with the help of the objects. So let's see how it works, guys. So I want to insert in front, so I will tell and insert 1. Okay, so again I want to insert in end. There's maybe element 2, 3, and I want to insert in position, so it will ask what element. So I want to insert element 2 at position 2. So if you will just display the elements, you will see that 1 I entered in the beginning, 3 I entered in the end, and at position 2, 1, 2, I have entered 2, element 2. Okay, as you can see here. And if I want to delete the element, like 1 2 3 is there, so if I want to delete 2, it will be updated. So if you will now display, it will only say 1 and 3. Okay, so now I have to reverse. So after reversing, it should come like 3 and 1. Is that okay? So it's coming like 3 and 1 because we are just swapping the values, or else we will just use a loop and we will just terminate it. Okay, so these were the different operations that we were doing on singly linked list, and we have one more data structure known as doubly linked list. We will be learning that later. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching me.